Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a recurring payment to a service provider through Bright. This is perfect for automating regular payments like rent, subscriptions, or utility bills so that you never miss a due date again. Let's get started. Open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, from the main dashboard, tap on Payments. And now choose New Payments. In the list of saved payees, just select your service provider, and if they aren't already saved, tap Add Payee, and then you're going to enter the required details like the name, account number, and billing address. Confirm the information to save it. Once the payment is selected, enter the payment amounts and then tap Set Frequency. Here, choose how often you want the payment to repeat. Maybe it's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or you can just set a custom date. Set the start date and optionally the end date, or the number of repetitions. Bright will then ask if you want to get reminders before each payment. You can toggle this on and off based, of course, on your preference. Review all the details on the confirmation screen and then tap Confirm and Schedule. And that's it. Your recurring payment is now active and Bright will handle the rest automatically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials just like this. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.